So we're running up here to the store to grab some dip. I just put in my last pinch of Copenhagen Southern Blend. And I'm gonna need a crap load more. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're running up here. I'm gonna grab some dip. Don't know what I'm gonna grab yet, but more than likely it's gonna be wintergreen or mint. And I'll turn the camera back on and I'll get back with y'all. Alright, y'all. Just got my dip. I settled for Copenhagen wintergreen. So let's crack this open. So I'm making a video. I'm gonna be doing a review on my GLOCK 17 I got that I use at work. And finally gonna make the giveaway video that I've been promising. Look at that black goodness. Jesus. I've been waiting for this all day. So we got the OD green mud jug today, and I'm gonna head on home. I'm gonna make that video and then I'll get back to you guys. What up, YouTube? Your boy Big Country. So like I said, I was gonna make a video on, I did something to my GLOCK, but let's go over it first. So it's a GLOCK 17. It's all been safety checked, all that. You can see, you know, around the chamber. A lot of y'all probably don't care, but YouTube and all those things. And got the hollow points. That's what I use on duty, is the hollow points. So, yeah, what I did to my GLOCK, some people say I might have messed it up. Some people are like, hey, that looks cool. Is this right here, this inlay. Right there. I don't know if you can, right there we go. So, and I did it on both sides. Did it right there too. So basically, you could take a crayon and you go over it and the color stays into the cuts of the letters. And then it stays colored, whatever color you make it. And then to get it out and change the color, you just take like a pen and you just go around it, the lettering real quick, and it takes it right out and you can rechange it whatever color you want to. So I was thinking my next one is going to be red, white, and blue lettering. I will do a review on that after I'm done too and let you guys know. But yeah, so that's what I did to my GLOCK. I'm going to be doing some more to it, and then we got the dip of the day. My dip of the day is not in reach. Shit, I'm gonna die.